feels like I'm really a new YouTuber at this moment. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fresh and this is King Diva once again. And please, I did not cut my hair. For many of you that are thinking that this is that I cut my hair, no, I just wrapped my hair in a wig cap. So I'm gonna be giving you a tiny little bit of how I spend my day. This is gonna be like a day in a life. This is gonna be like a day in a life. So today is Saturday, and most of the Saturdays I love staying at home. I love chilling at home. I love just having my day to myself, just being happy, bubbly, just doing what I like to do best. Sometimes I sit back home, make videos, study, so stuff like that. And I watch movies a lot. I do a lot of things. I cook too. I go to the market, but for today I'm going to just show you guys how I do my food. But basically I'm going to show you guys something right now. So guys, welcome to my refrigerator. This I do so that when the light is gone, the fridge can still stay very, very much cold. I have soup, I have ofada stew, and I have a lot of veggies in those Ziploc bags. I have veggies in there too, and I have some other stuffs on the side, eggs and other stuff. So this is literally what my fridge looks like right now. I cooked some days back and I still have leftover food, so I'm not doing a lot of cooking today. So I basically have never tried filming while cooking, and this is definitely going to be the first time I'm doing it, and I'm just hoping that I do it well. I have my tripod with me, and let's do this, guys. I hope this video comes out great, because all this suffering cannot be in vain. You know what I mean. What is up, you guys? So typically I'm in the kitchen right now, and I'm about to make something I would term something healthy. So I want to make fried egg with tomato, pepper and all of those veggies in it, and I also want to fry potatoes, and I already tried to blend the tomato, pepper and blend the onion right now, and then I've already cut my potato here. So basically I did most of the things before coming on here, so you guys should please forgive me, okay? house. So I'm done making my meal and I'm about to jump right in. So I still have some leftovers. I have here and hold on, and I have here. So I would have done I should do a mukbang, you know, like talk to you guys while I eat, but then you guys like I don't even feel like talking. I feel like okay, this is a day in a live video, right? This is typically how a day in my life feels like. And after kitchen waka, I'll just go wash my clothes, do my laundry, which takes me a lot of time because I have to use the washing machine, put stuff inside, wait for it. I use okay, you guys will see the review of the washing machine. I've not uploaded that video yet, but I will. Typically just wash my clothes, clean. You guys, I thought cooking and filming was something very possible, but you know what? It is very hard. It is very, very, very hard. Do you understand? Like, you need to have a big kitchen, maybe have different camera points, and then place your cameras at those different points. Do you understand? And those cameras would view the areas where you are going to basically work, like workstation where you're going to cut stuff, wash stuff, cook stuff. That's it. Because if you want to be carrying camera up and down as you are doing this thing, it's very, very tedious. I don't think I'm ever going to try this again. So this is the last time I'm going to do like a cooking thing on this channel, because this is stressful. This is really stressful. So how does it taste? It tastes amazing. Amaze balls. It tastes amaze balls. Like, it tastes so good. It tastes so good. And I don't know why I like my cooking so bad. I think I've spoiled myself. I think I've literally spoiled myself. I can't really eat out much, except I go to somewhere that serves very, very good food, and I can't really eat what someone else cooks, except that person is such a good cook. So I've literally spoiled myself. So yeah, let me wrap this up. So you guys, I really had some ideas talking about what's happening in Big Brother house, but you know what, I'm gonna leave that video for another day. I'm just not in the mood right now. Like, I just want to watch movie, eat, and that's all. So you guys, that's the end of today's video. I don't know if we'll sign off like this. I'm signing off like this today because I'm tired. I gotta go. Bye, loves. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Tell your friends about my channel. What else? Comment. Don't be watching and comment to tell me what you think. Comment it there. Let me see it. Thank you. Bye.